We had to solve the equation root 3x plus 1 minus root x plus 4 is equal to 1 for the unknown x. We take solution. First thing for us to answer this question, we are going to start by transferring negative root x plus 4 to the right hand side. This will give us root 3x plus 1 is equal to 1. When it crosses, it becomes positive, plus root x plus 4. Next step, we are going to square both sides. This will give us root 3x plus 1. All this squared is equal to 1 plus root x plus 4. All this squared. At the left hand side, this and this will strike off. We'll be left with 3x plus 1 is equal to squaring the right hand side. This will give us 1 squared plus, we take 2 times 1 times root x plus 4. 2 times 1 gives 2. We'll be left with 2 root x plus 4 plus, we take root x plus 4, all that squared. All this squared. We will be left with 3x plus 1 is equal to 1 squared gives us 1 plus 2 root x plus 4 plus squaring root x plus 4. This and this will strike off. We will be left with x plus 4. Next step, what we have to do is we are going to transform x to the left hand side so we can simplify with 3x. This will give us 3x. When x crosses, it becomes negative, minus x plus 1. At the right hand side, 1 plus 4 gives 5. We are going to transfer the 5 to the left hand side. It becomes negative, minus 5 is equal to 2 root x plus 4. 3x minus x gives us 2x. 1 minus 5 gives us negative 4. So at the left hand side, we'll be left with 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 root x plus 4. 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 root x plus 4. The next step, what we have to do is at the left hand side, 2 is common. We are going to factor out 2. 2 times x gives us 2x. 2 times negative 2 gives us negative 4 is equal to 2 root x plus 4. Next step, we have to divide all through by 2 is equal to 2 root x plus 4 divided by 2. 2 will strike off 2 at the left hand side, 2 will strike off 2 at the right hand side. We'll be left with x minus 2 is equal to the square root of x plus 4. Next step, we have to square both the left hand side and the right hand side. The reason why we are squaring both the left hand side and the right hand side is simply because we want to eliminate the square root sign from x plus 4. This will give us x minus 2. All this squared is equal to the square root of x plus 4. All this squared. X minus 2 all this squared. This will give us x squared. We take 2 times x times negative 2. It gives us negative 4x plus negative 2 squared is equal to this and this will strike off. We'll be left with x plus 4. This will give us x squared minus 4x plus negative 2 squared gives us 4 is equal to x plus 4. Next, we are going to transfer all the terms at the right hand side to the left hand side. This will give us x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We will be left with x squared. Negative 4x minus x gives us negative 5x plus 4 minus 4 gives us 0. So this will be equal to 0. X squared minus 5x equal to 0. We can factor out x because x is common. X times x gives us x squared. X times negative 5 gives us negative 5x is equal to 0. At this level, for this product to be equal to 0, either x is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Say either x is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. For x minus 5 equal to 0, x will be equal to 5. X is equal to 0 or x equal to 5. Now let's verify to know the true solution for the given problem. Take down verification. Take the first star. For x equal to 0, comma, we take root 3x plus 1 minus root x plus 4. Replacing x with 0, we have to verify whether this will give us 1. This will give us the square root of 3 times 0 plus 1 minus the square root of 0 plus 4. This will simply be equal to 3 times 0 gives 0 plus 1 gives us the square root of 1 minus the square root of 0 plus 4 gives us 4. This will simply be equal to the square root of 1 remains 1 minus the square root of 4, which is 2. 1 minus 2 gives us negative 1, which is not equal to 1. That means x cannot be equal to 0. We take a 2 star for x equal to 5, comma, the square root of 3x plus 1 minus the square root of x plus 4 will simply be equal to the square root of, take 3 times, we replace x with 5 plus 1 minus the square root of 5 plus 4. This will simply be equal to the square root of 3 times 5 gives us 15 plus 1 gives 16 minus the square root of 5 plus 4, which is 9. This will simply be equal to the square root of 16 is 4 minus the square root of 9, which is 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, which is true. Then we conclude, therefore, x is equal to 5. X equal to 5 is the solution of root 3x plus 1 minus root x plus 4 equal to 1. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.